Meaning of harshness.
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 Harshness. Harshness refers to the quality of being rough, unkind, or severe. It can apply to someone's behavior, words, or actions. Harshness often causes emotional pain, discomfort, or distress to the person on the receiving end. This can damage relationships and create a negative atmosphere. Harshness can also refer to physical things, like loud noises, extreme temperatures, or rough surfaces. In general, harshness is unpleasant and often unnecessary, and it's important for individuals to strive to exhibit kindness and consideration towards others in order to foster positive social interactions and promote well-being.